Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose System Settings. Now you need to click on one-handed mode over here and tap on this switcher to activate it. If you are using trickless navigation, you need to change it to gestures. In order to do that, click on Settings in the pop-up, tap on Gestures, and choose Learn or Cancel. Now tap on the top left corner and click on the switcher again. Finally, you can follow all of those instructions to enter one-handed mode. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, after doing that, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, just swipe up or click on this area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same, now blue switcher. To change back your navigation, tap on the top left corner, choose System Navigation, and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!